Sunday, June 29 p.m. 5:52. Production bakers Isles Bread smooth the ice before the sailors open he or she or nothing her before the cook. We hold one another the side pickle. The production slice 1. Mona special bread. He all one bread because the training the baker because it's the alternative learning the follow the big house as to be or nothing follow. Special torta bread. The torta dapat malinis the timpla dapat the follow the temperature the baker P1 ice the ingredient baker or ingredient bakery. Chipong cake. Special bread. The bakery ice the no idea the management agent in Kabangonay because he are selling bread. Haha. Marble cake special. The bakery he are nothing because the trying the big house is damaged the apply establishment company. Hunang bakery. Oven small oven 10,680. Mulin small mulin 12,860. Mixer rolling masa 14,690. Rack rolling bread 18,890. Langgana masa 8,890. Tricycle rolling panisal 26,890. Total cash payment 92,900 pesos. Maras Batas Shop, Merly Shop. Thank you and God bless you sa atong good morning. Saka first beta plus dealer.